In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp as a CRM. Whether you're a business owner, sales professional, or just someone looking to organize client relationships, ClickUp is an incredibly versatile platform that can help you streamline your processes. By setting up a dedicated space for customer relationship management, you can track leads, automate workflows, and centralize your sales efforts all within one tool. So let's dive in and walk through the step-by-step process to set up ClickUp as your CRM. First, log into your ClickUp workspace. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Once you're inside your workspace, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your main dashboard. This is where you'll access all your tools and projects. Next, locate the option to create a new space. It's usually found on the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard. Spaces in ClickUp are essentially the top-level folders that house everything you need for a specific project or function. Click on the Create Space option, and when prompted, give your new space a name. For example, you can call it CRM to keep things clear and organized. Once you've named your space, you'll see an option to use a template. Click on Use Template to access ClickUp's library of pre-made setups. Using a template can save you a lot of time by providing a ready-made structure tailored to your needs. In the search bar at the top of the template library, type in CRM to filter the results and find the one that fits our purpose. From the list of results, select the Sales CRM template. This template is specifically designed to help you manage your sales pipeline effectively. It includes features like folders, lists, and pre-configured views that are perfect for tracking leads, managing clients, and monitoring your progress. Once you've selected it, click on Use Template to apply it to your new space. After you've applied the template, ClickUp will automatically configure all the necessary folders, lists, and views. This may take a few moments, so just wait while the system sets everything up for you. Once it's done, you'll have a fully structured CRM space ready to go. Now that your CRM space is set up, you can begin entering client data, setting up your sales processes, and automating tasks as needed. Whether it's adding contact details, creating follow-up reminders, or setting up workflows, this is where you can customize the setup to fit your unique business needs. Take advantage of ClickUp's automation features and integrations to save time and keep everything running smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully transformed ClickUp into a powerful CRM tool. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.